When I was younger, I have always admired the glamorous queens. I have been blessed to wear this crown and carry the title of Miss Decemberian 2014. It was the opening of a new chapter in my life, a chapter that cannot be opened twice. It was nightful happiness. It was indeed a remarkable experience. Tonight, I am closing one of the most beautiful chapters in my life. It seems like just yesterday when I was crowned Miss Decemberian 2014. It has truly been memorable and year-filled with growth and smiles. I am extremely grateful to all the people who have stood by me throughout this journey. I want to take these opportunities to say thank you to the person who made me look beautiful at that night, Mr. Kenneth Botin, to the president of the batch, Miss Kathleen Abilion and Cyril Agustin, of course, to the advisors, Miss Lulu Bermejo and Miss Cherry Ann Lopez, a big hug. And of course, to my dear cousin, Harmy Mendoza Alarcon, thank you very much for representing me in tonight as I wave my last glance as Miss Decemberian. And to her lovely and very supporting sisters, Miss Hira Alarcon and Miss Riami Alarcon, thank you very much. To my parents and family, especially people who sponsored me, to Uncle Badong, Chief Engineer Salvador De Peña, Auntie Bibing, Mrs. Shirley De Peña, Auntie Sonia Patricia Luni, and Uncle Agustin Dardas, and to all my cousins, a deepest thank you. The last but not the least, to our dear God, you have been always source of my strength. Thank you to the overflowing blessing. I owe everything to you. You always be my number one love. Once again, I'm Kimpi Alarcon Patricio, Miss Decemberian 2014. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year!